In this video, I'm going to show you how to make a Roblox game on mobile Android. Now, the first thing you want to do is you want to open up any web browser. For this video, we're going to be utilizing Google Chrome. Alright, then all you want to do is you want to go ahead and look up Roblox Studio Lite just like so, and you want to go to the official Roblox.com website right over here. So, for those guys who are unaware, Roblox Studio Lite is basically like the Roblox Studio for mobile devices. So, you still are able to create games and have a ton of fun thanks to Roblox Studio Lite over here, which is basically like a Roblox Studio version, except optimized for mobile devices. So all you want to do is you want to go ahead and press on play just like so, and then there you go, guys. It is now going to go ahead and open up Roblox Studio Lite just like so. So if you guys really want to learn, there's tutorials that you guys can watch. You guys could also go ahead and play other people's games as well, which is honestly pretty cool. So there's a lot of different options over here, and you could seriously make some pretty awesome games. So you can honestly make some pretty good games thanks to Roblox Studio Lite. For example, here's one game that someone made on their mobile device. So as you're able to tell, there is a lot of different customability options. Then I highly suggest that you guys go ahead and take a look at the tutorials that it does provide you with. If you guys found this video helpful, make sure to leave a like and subscribe. I'll see you in the next tutorial.